Hello dear students, this is the video of class 8, chapter number 3, charts in Excel 2010. In the previous class, you uh, you can see in the previous class, I've discussed the following topics. I've discussed about creating a column chart in Excel. Then I've discussed creating grid lines in chart and then editing in charts. So these points has been discussed in the previous class. Now today I'm going to discuss changing the layout of a chart. What do you mean by layout of a chart and how you can change its layout? Second, creating chart title and axis title. Third topic, how to add and remove legend. And fourth is how to add data labels and remove it. So let us see. What do you mean by layout of a chart? Changing the layout of a chart. A chart can be presented in various layouts, such as the legend on the top, or it can be at the bottom, with or without titles, presented with or without data table, etc. So there are many chart styles available in Excel. You can see this is legend. This area, the names of different students, which is denoted with different colors, this is known as legend of a chart. So it can be at the right side, or it can be presented at the left side of the chart, or it can be presented at the bottom of the chart. Okay, so you can change its position, you can change the data table, you can present your chart with data, without data, you can you can also change its color, background color, etc. Okay, now let us see. uh, we are going to I'm going to switch on the Excel screen, and 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 you will understand about the chart in an easy manner. So children, you can see this chart. Okay, in the previous class I have explained how to create a chart in Excel. So I have already created this chart according to this data. According to these data, according to this data, I have already created this chart. Now you have to make change in its layout, changing the layout of a chart. So coming to the points, to change the layout, we have to follow these steps. First, click anywhere in the chart, then you will see the chart tools contextual tab. Okay, so when you select your chart, this chart tools contextual tab will be created at the top. Okay, then you have to click on chart tools design tab. So you can see when you select the chart tools will be enabled here. Okay, but when you click anywhere, that chart tool will be disappeared from the top. Okay, so you have to select the chart first, then the chart tools will be enabled. It has three options: design, layout, and format. Okay, it has three options: design, layout, and format. Now you should have a look on the third step. In the chart style group, click more button. Second step, you have to click on design tab. After clicking on design tab, you see the third step. In the chart style group, click more button to display the various styles and select the required styles. Click on the selected chart style. The selected layout and the chart style will get applied to the selected chart. So you can see you have to click on the design tab. So after selecting the chart, it has three options: design, layout, and format. Click on the design tab. Now this is the chart style group. Okay, this is the arrow key. It is the more button. When you click on this button, it has many different styles which will appear in front of you. Okay, you can select any one according to your requirement. Okay, suppose I have selected this one. You can see its background color and it has got some changes in the chart. Okay, some change appears in the chart, its background color changes. So in this way you can make change in the layout of the chart. Now you can do many more things. Suppose you have to create chart title and axis title. Okay, so how you can create? You have to select the chart, click on the chart layout option, go to the axis title, and there are two types of axis title. One for horizontal axis title, which is used for x-axis, and another that is the vertical axis title, which is used for y-axis. So first creating horizontal title. Okay, you can add title here. At the bottom you can add title, subjects. Okay, subjects, and you can also add vertical title for the y-axis. So again you can go to the axis title, you can click on vertical title, and you can select marks. How much marks? You can select here. You will write here marks. Now you can also create a title for the chart. Okay, you can create a chart title for the chart also. Go to the first, select the chart, then go to the chart title. You can select any title. You can write here like mark sheet. You can write mark sheet of X students. Marks sheet. Okay, I'm only writing the mark sheet. So in this way you can create horizontal title, vertical title. These horizontal title and vertical title is axis title. So you can create axis title and you can create title of the chart. Okay, now how to add and remove legend. Second thing, third topic is how to add and remove legend. So you know very well that this area, it is known as legend. It is denoting the names of different students with different colors. So how to add legend and how to remove it? Already legend has been added. If you want to remove the legend, you can click on legend. You have to select the chart, you go to layout option, then you will see legend here. You have to click on it. Sub menu will open. You can click on none. Okay, now you can see legend has been removed from this chart, but you can change the position of the legend also. So legend at right, so legend on top, so legend at left. Suppose I have created the legend on left side. Okay, so in this way you can edit your charts. Now next is how to add data labels and remove it. Okay, so you can see for adding data labels, you have to select your chart. Again, go to the chart tools, click on layout option. Okay, now you have to add data labels. You can see data label icon is here. You have to click here, then click on turn on data labels for selection. Okay, now different data labels has been generated here. Now if you increase your chart area, then it will be visible clearly. Okay, so you have to increase this chart area so that the data labels are visible clearly. So data labels, it is denoting the marks of each subject. Okay, you can see. So with the help of data labels, you can easily understand your chart. So I hope students you have understood these topics. Okay, thanks for watching this video.